Are you ready? Let's go.
This is stop motion in public. Welcome to the show, everybody. We just get set up here. I'm George of GT8 Studios. Follow me on all socials. And GT8 Kids. I'm just gonna get the camera set up. Just hang tight. You guys can check out the background over there. We are in the Chicago Riverwalk. Okay. All right. Wait for lenses. I want this size to be for TikTok. We're also testing out this new little camera I just got from the TikTok shop, so we'll see how it turns out. Let me wipe the lens on that. Alright, all the cameras are live. Now I just gotta get into stop motion studio. Should I just do this? I can handle both.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
And I guess we can kind of balance it, but...
Alright, so the pencil ain't gonna do it. Just because we're in a different kind of shot. So now let's get our characters out. Today we have Mr. Banana. Dun, dun, dun. All right, got Mr. Banana. Here's his mouth. Okay. We also have another character. Our lovely strawberry player. All right, I'm gonna change her mouth or his mouth. Okay. Are you
You ready? Now we need let's go. My teeth. Let's go. RG.
Are you ready?